Hello guys, for this vlog guys, I want to show you how my Indonesian inspector performs his inspection activity piping spool. See, this piping spool. See guys, this is the spool where my inspector going to inspect. This is my inspector actually. Alfred, which one that one you are checking? Which one? This is small item. What is that? Chocolate and then what is that at the end? This one at the end. Yeah. Sakit ha? Ito yung mga maliliit na spool. What type of this? Stainless or Inconel? Ha? Inconel? Ayan ang inspector ko na Indonesia. So one by one we are going to check. Because if something wrong and will reach to offshore, then it will be big problem. Medyo mabusisi lang siya kasi maliliit pero kailangan ng inspection. Ayan. Sine-check na yung square reef ng plant at yung tubo. Marami ito guys. Ito final post weld dyan. Ito na-check na ito eh. Ayan guys, oh, ayan. Mga Inconel to guys, mga Inconel. Ayan guys. Ito yung trabaho ng aking inspector guys. Ayan. Ay. Ayan pa oh, marami pa dyan oh. Balik tayo sa aking inspector. Alfred, how many years now here? Ha? 5 years. 5 years pa pala. Pagka ganitong nasa baba, ang hirap nito inspeksyonin. Hindi ako pwede dyan sa mga ganyan na nakaluhod. Mahirapan. Kailangan nakapatong sa lamin. So mga katulad nito, yan. Mga katulad yan. Pero yung mga ganyan, ako. Yes, nakikita na niyo yung mga ginagawa namin guys. Alfred, check carefully ha. Check carefully ha. Talagang binubusisi niya. Yan guys. Maliit na bagay lang yan guys ha. Pero pagdating niyan sa offshore, mahal ng bayad niyan pagka ni-repair. How many pieces? 7? All this? Others no more? This one already done? This one already inspected? Oh, okay. Guys, pasok tayo dito sa mga ginagawa niya. Ayan. Ayan guys, oh. Mini welding guys. Ayan. So guys, oh. Hindi pa ito na-check. Taas yun. Ayan guys, mga welder, mga fitter. Alfred, this one already checked?
Still no.
This one? And, okay. Ayan guys, oh. Talagang sinukat-sukat talaga, oh. Ayan, nire-record niya yung mga nakuha niyang data sa pag-inspection. Check the number if they are the same. Correct? Okay? Okay. Kailangan 90 degrees yan guys ang inspection. 90 degrees 0 to 90. Yan guys. Ito guys, itong shop na ito, piping shop lang ito. Nandun sa kabila yung ano, yung main yung workshop. Okay guys, siguro hanggang dito na lang, nakikita naman ninyo yung so guys, bye for now. I have to go to other place for monitoring and surveillance for my other inspector. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, bye for now guys. God bless us always. Bye bye.